Guys, for our problem number 5, and this will be our last problem with our topic simple curve. A simple curve having a radius of 229.18 meters has a back tangent of north 28 degrees east and the forward tangent of north 66 degrees east. A property line running parallel to the back tangent crosses the center line of the curve at a distance of 10 meters from it. The PC of the curve is located at 10 plus 120.6. So for our letter A, what is the deflection angle at the point of intersection of the property line and the curve measured from the tangent at station 10 plus 120.6? And B, what is the stationing at the point of intersection of the property line and the curve? And C, compute the chord distance from the PC to the point of intersection of the property line and the curve. Okay, so let's understand this. So yung ating simple curve has a radius of 229.18 and has a back tangent of north 28 degrees east. So let's say meron daw tayong bearing ng back tangent which is north 28 degrees east. So ito yon, north 28 degrees. So let's say ito siguro yon. Degrees east. And next, yung forward tangent naman natin has a bearing naman of north 66 degrees east. Siguro andito siya, north 66 degrees, ito na siguro siya. Again, kung gaano kahaba to, ganito lang din to. So ito ay 66 degrees. So ito na ngayon yung ating curve. Yan. This is now our simple curve. Ito. So ang tanong, i-draw lang muna natin yung mga radius. Yung radius natin, 229.18. Again, this is 90 degrees. Yan. Radius din natin to. Okay. So, if I'm going to extend this, yung ating back tangent, extend ko lang to. From that, a property line running parallel to the back tangent, so ito yung ating back tangent, which is running parallel, crosses the center line of the curve at a distance of 10 meters from it. So let's say, meron tayong property line, let's say nandito yung point niya, nagko-cross daw yon center line natin, if this is our center line, the curve from this point. Ngayon, extend ko to, yung property line daw yon, which is ito. If that crosses the center line, may distance daw na to papunta dito na ilan yon, 10 meters. Okay, so therefore this is 10 meters. Ito siya. So, if this is our PC, which is at station 120 or 10 plus 120.6, if this is our radius, which is 229.18 meters, also this is our still radius, no? Radius pa rin natin to. Pero ano na ngayon yung distance na to from this point to here? Yung kabuuan nito, this is our radius, tama ba? This is just 229.18 minus 10, yung distance na to. Ito na siya. So this is now 219.18 meters. Okay? So if this is 90 degrees, this is still 90 degrees. Yan. So 90 degrees na rin yan. So ang tanong ngayon, what is the deflection angle at the point of intersection of the property line and the curve measured from the tangent at station 120, 10 plus 120. So ito yung 10 plus 120 na station. So ano daw yung deflection angle from here? Ano daw yung deflection angle from this point, from PC to this point? Pangalanan ko to as point A. So ano daw yung deflection angle niyan kapag kinonect natin to? So pangalanan ko to as theta A or theta na lang. Paano natin to masosolve yung theta na yan? So to solve now for theta, tama ba? If that is theta, kapag ito yung point A, kapag in-extend natin sa center line, that is just twice of that deflection angle. So therefore, if this is theta, papunta dito ngayon, this is also twice ng theta or 2 theta na to. Tama ba? Again, if this is our deflection angle, which is theta, papunta sa point A, and if in-extend natin yan going to the center of the curve, that is just twice of that angle or 2 theta na ngayon. So ngayon, ang tanong, what is our deflection angle? So let's just consider this triangle. Itong triangle na to. Okay, so let's consider this triangle. Ito. So, i-isolate ko yan. Ilagay ko dito. So, ito ay 2 theta. And yung distance na to ay 219.18 meters. Okay? Diba? This is still our radius from this point to this point, which is equivalent to 229.18 meters. This is still right triangle. So, anong pwede nating magamit dito? Cosine function, no? Cosine theta adjacent over hypotenuse. So, for our letter A, cosine 2 theta is now equivalent to adjacent to 19.18 over radius, which is 229.18. So therefore, our 2 theta is equivalent to, or gawin na lang natin ganito, 2 theta is equivalent to inverse cosine, magiging 219.18 divided by 229.18. But since this is 2 theta, i-divide by 2 natin para ang matira na lang ay yung theta. Okay? Ilagay ko dito. Divide by 2. So, ito na yung ating theta. And this is also our deflection angle now from the point of intersection dito. So, this is equivalent to 8.494 degrees. This is now our answer for letter A. And for our letter B, what is the stationing at the point of intersection of the property line and the curve? So, ano daw yung station ng point A? Ito, ano na yung station nito? So, if I'm going to copy this, ano na yung station nito of this point? Yan. So, first, kailangan ko munang malaman kung ano yung station ni PC. Pero kung given naman na yun, which is 120, 10 plus 120.6, then i-plus ko na lang yung length ng curve from PC going to A. Okay? Again, for the stationing of point A, that is just equivalent to stationing of PC plus length ng curve from PC to A. So, kunin ko muna yung length ng curve from PC to A. So, erase ulit natin yon. Yung length ng curve from PC to A, which covers 2 theta, is equivalent now to, sa circumference pa rin ng circle, over 360 degrees. So let's substitute. So LA is equivalent now to 2 pi r. R natin kanina is 229.18 multiplied by 2 theta, or over 360 na dito. Multiplied by 2, substituting the value of theta, 8.494 degrees. So the length of curve from PC to point A, that is equivalent to 67.9511 meters. Then finally, we can now solve for the stationing of piece of A. So let's substitute the stationing of PC. 10 plus 120, or 10,000, 120.6 plus 67.9511. So this is equivalent to 10,000, 188.511 5511 meters. And therefore, the stationing of point A is equivalent now to 10 plus 188.5511. This is now our answer. And finally, for our letter C, compute the chord distance from PC to the point of intersection of the property line and the curve. So if we are going to isolate this, linisin ko lang to. Ano daw yung distance na to? Yung length of chord. Take note, chord na yung pinag-uusapan from dito to dito. So, hindi yung length of curve, kundi length of chord. So, ito na ngayon yung tinatanong. Ito mismo. Okay, so ganito siya. If I'm going to isolate that, una, dito tayo manggaling. So let's say ito yung point A natin. Ito yon, from PC to point A, from PC to point A. This is our extension line of our back tangent. And from that, di ba meron tayong distance kanina na 10 meters? From dito to dito, yung property line, that is 10 meters. So, meron na rin tayong theta dito kanina, which is the deflection angle na theta. And ang tinatanong is kung gaano kahaba to. Yung length ng chord, not length of curve. So, this is LCA. Okay? So, paano natin gagamitin to? So, if this is right angle, so, pwede natin gamitin yung sine function, sine theta, opposite over hypotenuse. Okay? Again, sine theta is equivalent to opposite, which is 10 meters, over hypotenuse, LCA. At makukuha na natin yung length of chord from the PC to the property line. Okay, so let's substitute. Cross multiply. 10 divided by sine, yung theta natin kanina is 8.494 degrees. Then finally, the length of curve going to point A is now equivalent to 67, 70, 21 meters. This is now our answer for our length of chord from the PC to A. This is our last problem involving simple curves.